button.
Okay. Welcome back and Happy New Year. Cameron, close the Chromebook. Thank you. All right, so today we are beginning our brand new unit over usage. We are beginning with the very, very basic parts of a word, which are the roots of a word, and then leading into prefixes and suffixes. So starting over here, and I do apologize about the marker running out of ink for this part of the lesson, but nice new marker over here. So over here, word roots. The root of a word is the main part of the word. It tells the main meaning, and other word parts like prefixes and suffixes add meaning to the word. If an unfamiliar word contains a familiar root, knowing the meaning of the root can help give you a hint or an understanding of what that unfamiliar word could mean. And then I have some examples here of Latin roots and Greek roots. So in your assignment, you're actually going to want to pay very close attention to these two columns because it's going to be asking you, what does the root mean? Or what does this definition match to? Like which root? So pay attention to that. You can use that for your assignment. So most of the roots that we use in English actually today come from Latin or Greek roots, and these are the most common of those. The one I did not write on the board actually, spect, means to look at something, like a spectacle, or I need to inspect your tonsils, go to the doctor. So Latin roots, audi, audible, hear something, dict, dictate, you say, missile, send something, port, transport, to carry, sends or sent, so I sense that you were very upset that we have to do work today. Or that's very sentimental, so I feel it, feel. Vid or viz is to see. It's a video that we're watching, something that you see, or I have a visual display for you today. Visual, something you see. And then Greek roots, bio means life, so biology, the study of life. Chrono, time, so in chronological order, I would like for you to place this graph. So chrono means time, geo equals earth, geography, the study of the earth. Graph means to write. I use graphite inside of my pencils, graph to write. Phon is sound, phonics, sound, you hear it. And photo means light, photograph. How does it become a photograph? Well, it's different light pixels at different places at different times, and that makes a picture. Light. So, questions on word roots? Nope. Okay, so moving on. Prefixes and suffixes. So, right here. Prefixes and suffixes change the meanings of the root and the base word. A prefix is a word part added to the beginning of a root or base word, and a suffix is a part that's added to the end. Okay, so sorry about that interruption. So suffix is the part of the word that we add to the end. Sometimes the spelling of the word changes whenever we do add a suffix. Sometimes we have to drop a Y and add I, and then the suffix. That's just one example. And it can change. So over here I have a list of common prefixes. So remember, prefix comes before. Pre actually means before, just like it says there. So IN, IM, IR, IL means not. So it's very irregular that you would be very chirpy and chatty since it's so early. Or it's impossible, not possible.
Imperfection.
Imperfection, imperfect, yes. So re means again. Pre, like I just said, means before, prehistoric, before history that we know. Dis means not or opposite of. So you could discourage, mean to not encourage, or dislike, you don't like them. Non would be not. It's a non-dairy product, no dairy. Over means too much. I overstirred the pot. Miss means wrongly. I misinformed you that we don't have school tomorrow. I'm sorry, we have to come back. Inter means between or among. So the interstate. All right, so moving on to common suffixes. So ending in FUL or ending in Y would mean characterized by or tending to. She's beautiful. Characteristic of LY. Can anyone think of a word that ends in LY? Beautifully, good. Ending in ER, OR, or IST, one who or a person connected with. A realtor, a person connected with realty or real estate. Ending in ION, TION, ATION, or ITION, act or process. Initiation, the process of initiating. Ending in IC, meaning having characteristics of athletic, having characteristics of an athlete. Ending in less, LESS, means without. She's penniless, without any pennies. Ending in EN, made of or to make, to lighten the mood, to make the mood lighter. Ending in MENT, placement, act or process. MENT, act or process. So placement, the act of placing. Ending in ness or IETY, state or condition of. Blindness.
Pureness.
Do what?
Pureness.
Pureness, blindness, good examples. So, if you guys have any questions about prefixes, suffixes, word roots, please send me an email or send me a message through your Google Classroom option. And I hope you have a great day.